Hey, welcome back. In a new update for Adobe Premiere Pro, they just launched a new feature called Quick Export. So when you have your project on the timeline, you'll see this new Quick Export button in the top corner if you've updated, and when you click it, this just allows you a quick way to export directly to a certain location. So here I'm sending it to my desktop. I can send it to wherever, and it quickly populates the common presets for this file type, which is H.264. So you can match the source footage, which will just make it the same size as the source timeline and footage, or you can choose some of these handy presets like HD, 1080p, which could work great for YouTube, Facebook, etc. And you see here they've automatically set the bitrate and all that for you. And you just click export and it can quickly send something to your desktop. This is good for, quick drafts that you want to get out. Quick little things that you just need to send quickly. And then when you do need to get more advanced and flexible, you can always just go back to the File, Export Media setting. Here's where you do have all those much more presets, much more different features, size options, and advanced options. And if you still needed more, you can always send it to Adobe Media Encoder and queue it for even more flexibility, but that's the new Adobe Quick Export feature. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.